Hey, so how are you guys doing today? How do you like the New York City weather and where you're from?
Loving the snow, loving all of it falling with the lights and everything else.
Definitely cold.
Definitely cold, but bearable.
Where are you guys from originally?
Alabama.
Alabama.
Alabama. And where are you guys going back?
We're going back.
We supposed to go back tomorrow, but we've been canceled.
Yes.
Oh, so your plans got canceled, your airplane got canceled, and when are you coming back right now?
So hopefully Tuesday night.
Yep.
Did you have to pay extra for your trip back, or?
Nope, they just rescheduled us.
Yeah, so far they've just rescheduled us.
Okay, thank you so much.
All my killers, all my fellas, all my criminals, all my haters getting in. New York City, Times Square, let us know. We outside. I got my money on you, that's all it take, baby girl. Keep on smiling, hey.
I've got a couple things. I got to go to the office and just like shut off this board and bring me something to see if things still work.
Auw! Wat, ik doe hun, ik ben aan het skiën, ik doe helemaal niet. Wij vieren tegen hun twee. Hallo.
How you liking the weather?
It's good.
Where you from originally?
Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Netherlands,
Does
yeah.
it snow over there often?
Yeah, sometimes, yes.
So
Sometimes.
you're used to the weather?
Yeah.
All right.
It's the best weather there is.
I see you brought your skis with you?
Yes, of course. It's the only way for transportation because everything is shut down.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Thank you, my man. Thank you.